Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix audio not working, crackling, muffled, popping, or stuttering sound issues in Slay the Spire 2 on PC. First, press Windows plus G to open Xbox Game Bar. Click the audio icon and make sure the correct speaker and microphone are selected and the volume is not muted. Next, right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar, open Sound Settings, and make sure the correct output device is selected. If the issue continues, restart the game or restart your PC. You can also change the sound sample rate. Open Control Panel, Hardware and Sound. Sound. Right-click your speaker. Properties. Advanced and try 24-bit 48000s or 16-bit 48000s. Click Apply, relaunch the game, and check. If you are using a controller, disconnect it before launching the game, then reconnect it after the game starts. Also, disconnect extra controllers, dongles, or audio devices connected to the PC. Next, go to Sound Control Panel. Speaker Properties. Spatial sound and set it to off. If it's already off, you can try Windows Sonic for headphones. Also disable extra audio devices like Voice Meter from Sound Control Panel. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, open Run, type this prompt. Hit Enter, open your headphones properties, go to Services, and uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, then click Apply. Finally, verify the game files in Steam. Right-click the game, go to Properties. Installed files. Verify integrity of game files. One of these steps should fix the audio issue. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.